Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Techavro. Hope you guys having a nice day. In this video I'm gonna walk through how can you upload to SoundCloud on iPhone. So guys, to upload to SoundCloud, at first you need to just install the SoundCloud app. So go to App Store and in the bottom right search bar, click on it, and in the top search bar just search for SoundCloud. And after searching for it, here you can see the SoundCloud app. You need to just install it, and after installing it, open it, and also after opening it you need to create an account. And after you have created an account, in the top right here you can see the arrow icon. If you click on this arrow icon, here you can see OK. Click on OK and just choose the file that you want to upload. And after uploading the file, here you can see in the top left uploading 11%. Now in the top here you can see camera icon. If you click on this camera, you can just choose a picture for the song. After choosing the picture, here you can see title, description. You can change everything you want, and after that click the top right save. And by doing this you can just upload to SoundCloud on iPhone. So guys, that's how you can do it. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Techavro. Thank you very much for watching the video.